Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, students.
Good morning, Miss.
How are you today?
I'm fine. Thank you. And you?
I'm fine too, thank you. Have you had breakfast, guys?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, good. Okay, let's start our meeting today by saying basmalah together.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Okay, I will check your attendance list first. Suci,
Yes.
Dwi,
Yes.
Fabi.
Yes.
Okay, good. Okay, now have you ever see or listen a news, guys?
Yes, Miss.
So, where do you usually see or listen news?
Television or social media?
Okay, good. So what news do you usually see or listen?
Accident news?
So, can you guess what we are going to learn today?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, that's right. So, today we are going to learn about news item text. Do you know, guys, what is news item text?
Text is the inform readers about events.
Okay, good. News item text is a text that informs readers or listeners about events of the day that are considered important or newsworthy. So, do you know what is the social function of news item text?
To inform readers about newsworthy events.
Okay, good. You're right. The social function of news item text is to inform readers about newsworthy or of important event of the day. Okay, now we move to generic structure. There are three generic structure. First, main event or newsworthy event. It is the headline and it records the event in summary form. And the second is elaboration or background events. It tells event in detail. They elaborate what happened, to whom, in what circumstance. And the last is source. This is the source of the news in the form of source statement. It contains comment by participants, witnesses, and authorities expert on the event. And then we move to dominant language features. This text use direct and indirect speech. For example, she said, or she informed, she told, or she reported. And then using past tense in explaining news event. But if it is a fact that is until now still happen or still in the form of fact, then can use simple present tense. And then it use adverb like adverb time, place, and manner. And the last it is using action verb like run, hit, and etc. Okay, now let's see the picture on your book. It is about the example of news item text, and you can you can see this.
Yes, I see.
Okay, now Suci, please read the text.
Okay. 7 killed in accident on Jalan Sultan. 7 people were killed in a collision between a bus, a car, and a truck at 10:55 p.m. on Jalan Sultan last night. The dead were all passengers in the car. Police believe the car may have been trying to overtake the bus when it was struck by a truck coming from the opposite direction. The driver of the car might not have been using his lights. As the truck driver said, he didn't see the car approaching. The police said the car should not have been trying to pass the bus. since overtalking is not allowed on Jalan Sultan. In addition, the police reported that the car, a small Japan car, should not have been carrying more than 5 people. The names of the victims are not yet known.
Okay, very good. Thank you, Suci. You can see in paragraph 1, this is the newsworthy event. And then in paragraph 2, this is background event. And the last paragraph is source. And for the example of language feature, we have past tense in word where. 7 people were killed. And then for adverb, we have at 10:35 p.m. on Jalan Sultan last night. And for direct and indirect speech, we have said. The police said. And for action verb, we have reported. Okay, so far, any question?
No.
So, do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, if you understand, now I want you to do exercise in your book on page 2. Read the text and analyze the generic structure and dominant language features. I will give you 1 minute to do this exercise. Okay, you can start now. Feel free to ask me if you are confused. Okay, the time is up. Suci, please read the text.
Town contaminated. Moscow, a Russian journalist has uncovered evidence of another Soviet nuclear catastrophe, which killed 10 sailors and contaminated an entire town. Yelena is the first journalist to speak to people who listened to explosion of the nuclear submarine at the naval base of Kotovo, 22 near Vladivostok. The accident, which occurred 30 months before the Chernobyl disaster, spread radioactive fallout over the base and nearby town, but was covered up by officials of the Soviet Union. Residents were told the explosion in the reactor of the Victor-class submarine during a rapid had been a thermal and not a nuclear explosion, and those involved in the clean-up operation to remove more than 600 tons of contaminated material were sworn to secrecy. A board of investigators was later to describe it as the worst accident in the history of the Soviet Navy.
Okay, Suci, thank you. Now, Feby, please read your answer.
1. Newsworthy event.
Paragraph 1 must go until entry turn.
Yeah.
2. Background event. Paragraph 2 and 3. Yelena until secrecy.
Yeah.
3. Short. Paragraph 4. Abort until Soviet Navy.
Okay, good.
Adverb. 13 months before the Chernobyl disaster.
And then
Past tense was. Action verb. Speak.
okay, good. Thank you. So guys, what have you learned today?
News item text.
Okay, that's right. Today we have learned about news item text, about its generic structure and dominant language feature, and we analyze generic structure and dominant language feature from text. Okay, now I will give you homework. Please find another example about news item text and then please write news item text that includes generic structure and dominant language feature and the minimum of 2 sentences for each paragraph, and you can collect it next week. Okay guys, I think enough. That's all for today. Don't forget to study at home, keep practice, and stay healthy. Let's close our meeting today by saying Hamdalah together.
Alhamdulillah.
Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
See you next week, inshallah. Have a nice day.